In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce output file size by changing formats or bitrate in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're looking to save space on your hard drive or make your video easier to share online, knowing how to compress your file efficiently without sacrificing too much quality is essential. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to start off by selecting the sequence you intend to export in your timeline. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working with the correct project or sub-project you wish to finalize. Having your sequence ready also helps avoid any unnecessary confusion as we move forward. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on File. This is where you'll begin the process of exporting your video. Once you're there, look for the Export option. Hover over it and a submenu will appear. From this, you'll need to select Media. This action will open up the Export Settings window, which is your starting point for altering both the format and bitrate. In the Export Settings window, your next step is to look for the Format dropdown. For most projects, H.264 is an excellent choice because it's known for its ability to maintain good quality at a smaller file size. Selecting this format is a common practice, especially for videos that will be uploaded to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo due to its compatibility and efficiency. Following your format selection, it's time to choose a preset. The preset you opt for depends on the ultimate destination of your video. You'll find various presets optimized for different platforms and quality needs. If you're unsure, starting with a basic high-quality preset for your format is often a safe bet. Once you've got your preset selected, take a moment to consider adjusting the bitrate settings. The bitrate directly influences your file size and quality. Lowering the bitrate will reduce the file size, but be cautious. Going too low can lead to noticeable dips in video quality. Often, a VBR 2-pass setting is more efficient than a single-pass bitrate, as it allows for better quality retention while keeping the file size manageable. After making your adjustments, you're almost there. You'll have the option to either export or queue. Choosing export will initiate the process immediately, finalizing your video with the settings you've selected. Alternatively, selecting queue will add it to Adobe Media Encoder, allowing you to manage multiple exports, a handy feature when dealing with concurrency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently reduce your output file size in Adobe Premiere Pro, making your video more versatile for storage and sharing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your editing projects. See you next time.